Kurmanjan.ka, 1811 till 1907, was an outstanding historical figure, a stateswoman and one of the first female rulers in Central Asia. Her life and activities are closely associated with Kyrgyzstan, where she distinguished herself as a skilled diplomat, political leader, and defender of her people's interests. She remains a symbol of wisdom, strength, and selflessness. Kurmanjan was born in the family of a tribal leader in the Altai Mountains. From an early age, she demonstrated intelligence, determination, and independence. Her first marriage was unsuccessful, and following her convictions, she left her husband, an extraordinary bold act for a woman of that time. Later, she married Alınbek.ka, a powerful leader in southern Kyrgyzstan. After Alınbek's assassination in 1862, Kurmanjan took on the leadership of the tribe. Her political influence quickly grew due to her ability to unite fragmented clans and negotiate with neighboring states. Her title, Datka, which means chief or ruler, solidified her status as one of the key figures in the region. Kurmanjan.ka played a significant role in establishing relations between Kyrgyz tribes and the Russian Empire. When Central Asia began to be annexed by the Russian Empire in the mid-19th century, she chose a peaceful approach. Recognizing that empire's superiority, she opted for negotiations to protect her people's interests, preventing significant bloodshed. Kurmanjan was renowned for her fairness, wisdom, and care for her people. She was highly respected not only among Kyrgyz, but also by Russian officials. However, her life was marked by personal tragedies. One of the most difficult moments was her decision not to intervene when her son was sentenced to death for rebellion against Russian authorities. She made this decision to maintain peace in the region. Kurmanjan.ka became a symbol of female leadership and resilience. She is often referred to as the Queen of Alay for her wise governance of the Alay mountain region. Today, her name is widely known in Kyrgyzstan and beyond. A film about her life, Kurmanjan.ka, was released in her honor, and monuments and streets have been named after her. Her example proves that a woman can be a successful leader even in a challenging historical and cultural circumstances. Kurmanjan.ka embodies the national pride and spiritual strength of the Kyrgyz people.